everyone, it's Mark and Christine and our amazing team from Living Water, and we just want to say thank you for voting for us and helping us to win Best of Las Vegas for 2024.
We love serving you, our beautiful clients, and taking care of you and our vendors and all of our friends and family who have supported us. We are so thankful. And I just want to tell you, our amazing team here is one of the reasons why we are the best in Las Vegas, because we're going to service you from the beginning, from that first phone call to the very end when we do the final walkthrough. And we're going to be here for you in the future. So if you need us, please give us a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.
Thank you!